News on 6's Alex Cameron tells us what he is now learning about that indictment from our News on 6 Washington bureau.
Well, the understanding that we have of this indictment is that it is for an alleged crime that occurred during the 2016 presidential campaign before Donald Trump occupied the White House. The current occupant of the White House isn't commenting on it at all.
I have no comment on that.
That makes President Biden one of the few. Much of the talk centers on how the Manhattan DA could get a grand jury to bring a felony charge or charges against Donald Trump for what on the surface looks like a misdemeanor.
It's complicated, and most lawyers don't even understand it.
What's known is that the DA's investigation centers on the $130,000 hush money payment that Trump's then attorney Michael Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels in 2016 at the height of the presidential campaign to keep her from going public about an alleged extramarital affair she and Trump had years earlier.
It's an attempt to take what is a misdemeanor, falsifying the business records, where he listed the payoff to the porn star as payments to his counsel, and then charging that was done to hide what is in fact a campaign violation.
Legal experts say it's a novel approach, magnified by the payoff's potential connection to other areas of the law.
So we could be looking at campaign finance charges. We could be looking at wire fraud, at banking fraud.
In an interview this morning on CBS, a lawyer for Trump said the DA has no case because the former president's done nothing wrong, which should concern all Americans.
Because what's happened here is this is a case that would not have been brought against another individual in this country if his name wasn't Donald Trump.
Donald Trump will be arraigned in Manhattan next Tuesday. He will be fingerprinted, photographed, and the judge will read aloud the charges against him, and he'll enter a plea. And I'll be there to report on it. For now, in our Washington bureau, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.